What sense does it make for y'all to be out here throwing bows? If you are defending yourself, I understand, right? But after that guy said whatever it is that he said, the activist said whatever it is that he said, did you think it was appropriate to approach or throw a punch or whatever? No, like that's politics. Like people are going to do and say things that you don't agree with. And what I said in one of my earlier videos is I think that it's very, very important for us to work on how we respond when somebody says something disrespectful towards us. It's so sad and so crazy that again we're having this conversation not just about grown adults, but people that are supposed to be the leaders of certain communities. It's crazy. How did we get here?
We should mention no one was arrested or charged in that incident in Thornton Township.
Of course not.
Now, meantime, the Dalton board meets on Monday, but after what happened in Thornton, Mark and Cheryl, Tiffany Henyard says she's unlikely to attend unless they beef up security.
Watch breaking news on you.
Beef up security? Ma'am, I don't know. And again, I'm trying to figure out. I would absolutely love to know who started all of this. But I'm pretty sure the reason why all of this started was because of the reaction and response to what that guy said, right? Because again, if they are just words that people are just talking, they're just talking. You're gonna beef up security because somebody called you out of your name, or are you gonna beef up security to keep whoever started this scuffle? Again, I would absolutely love to see and get to the bottom of who actually started all of this. I would love that. I would absolutely love that. Let me remove this off the screen real quick. But again, I continue to stress this. We have to, as a collective, work on how we respond when somebody disrespects us. I am all for defending yourself. Listen. That I'll put that over any and everything. You, when it comes to defending yourself, you do whatever needs to be done to make sure that you are safe. But if we are speaking, which oftentimes we are speaking about people saying something about you, and you are a leader, and you have people that look up to you, followers or subscribe, whatever. You have all these people that look up to you. You should know and understand that you should be leading by example. And this is not the way to move. And I'm speaking for the activists or the mayor of Dalton. This is not how you do things as grown, mature adults that are supposed to be leaders.